This is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here today with another cool product to share with you. This is from Patio Watcher. This is their folding garden cart, which I am actually really excited about. Let's take a look at it. Oh, how cool is that?
Look at those cool, ginormous.
I know. So that's exactly why I got these, Nikki, because I wanted this, because I thought it would be perfect for going to the beach or in the RV, or if we're wandering around and doing things. I thought with these crazy all-terrain tires, this thing would be perfect for our active lifestyle.
Super cool. Take it apart.
Let's take it apart. Okay, let's do that.
I'm excited. This one's cool.
Okay, take that off. Take this guy off here. I'll do a little unzip. Ready? Let's make it naked, I think. Ooh, look at that. So let's see. Oh, I am so happy right now.
That is really nice.
This is so cool.
We've had ones before. This is absolutely way better.
Way better.
Look at this amazing material. Like, this is very sturdy, very, very, very sturdy. We've had some really cheap ones before. I can't tell you how great this looks.
And the handle is super cool. It's like, you know, it articulates in all the different directions very nicely. The wheels. Okay, so this is boy thing. Wheel must have like nice bearings on it. Look how smooth it rolls. It's nice and easy to pull. This will make my life of carrying everything Nikki packs, which if we're gonna go to the beach, which would probably be like beach chairs, a hammock swing if you watched any of our videos, food, 100 towels, and a TV. And it is all going on here, and I'm gonna carry it to the beach without going back and forth to the car 5 times. So this unassuming little piece folds up very nicely into that packing that I took off. And then, before Nikki makes you start lugging stuff around, you take it and you put it right here, and it makes a nice solid bottom of your wagon.
And you have a pocket there.
You do have a pocket here. Pocket.
Great for cell phones, other small things you don't want to get lost around here. But let's check this out. Very sturdy.
So all you do to close it up is grab this tab and lift up, and that is it. Whoa. That is the whole thing.
That's awesome.
Put the strap back around it, tie the strap. But that is the whole thing in 2 seconds or less. So as much as I said it was nice because it was going to make my life at the beach easier, this unpacking process and packing it up to go home is equally as easy, because that can be daunting sometimes also. I'll even go full bore and put the whole package back together for you.
And this is great for storing at home. It collapses and it's like so nice and small.
So nice and small.
Put the little cover back on.
And one not really pro tip, but we'll call it a pro tip, is right here. There's a hole in the top, so if you need to grab the handle or use the handle, it's accessible to you. All right, let's put the base back in the kit, and then we are completely packed up and finished. Look at that. That is one of the easiest things to pack and unpack I think we've ever owned.
And it is so sturdy. That's why I love it.
It is cool.
It is really well built. Love it.